The last figure the district collector had confirmed to me is about 238.
In a tragic accident, at least 238 people were killed and about 900 were injured in Odisha as three trains met with an accident on June 2nd. An express train with two other trains met with an accident in Odisha's Balashore. Around 10 to 12 coaches of Coromandel Express derailed near Bahanagar railway station and infringed into the opposite track. Talking to the media, Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav and Odisha Chief Secretary Pradeep Jaina gave information about the tragic incident and the ongoing rescue operations.
कल रात से कंटिन्यूअसली रेलवे, एनडीआरएफ, एसडीआरएफ और राज्य सरकार सभी मिलके रेस्क्यू का ऑपरेशन कर रहे हैं। कंप्लीट मोबिलाइजेशन किया गया है। इधर बालेश्वर की तरफ से, उधर भुवनेश्वर की तरफ से कंप्लीट मोबिलाइजेशन किया है। टाटानगर से सब जगह से मोबिलाइजेशन किया है ताकि मैक्सिमम इस तरह की बड़ी ट्रेजेडी में जितना एफर्ट लगाया जाए उतना कम होता है। उन सभी परिवारों के साथ मेरी प्रार्थना है जिनके परिवार का मेंबर इस ट्रेजेडी में चले गए, और सभी जहां पर भी बेस्ट पॉसिबल हेल्थ केयर फैसिलिटी होगी, चाहे कटक में, भुवनेश्वर में, एम्स में, इधर कलकत्ता में, कहीं पर भी जो बेस्ट पॉसिबल हेल्थ फैसिलिटी होगी वो दी जाएगी। कंपेंसेशन का अमाउंट कल रात में रेलवे की तरफ से डिक्लेयर हो गया था। एक हाई लेवल कमेटी भी ऑलरेडी डिक्लेयर हो गई है जो कि इस पूरे एक्सीडेंट में इंक्वायरी करेगी। कमिश्नर रेल सेफ्टी को भी बुलाया गया है, वो भी इंक्वायरी करेंगे और इस प्रॉब्लम के, इस एक्सीडेंट के रूट कॉज में जाएंगे।
Little difficult situation, so it has to be technically very professionally handled. So the team is working there. Otherwise, rest of the buggies are almost, they are doing a mopping up exercise. Now the teams are also scouting for surrounding areas if any body might have been thrown during the accident or anything. So that they are doing. So once that mop-up exercise is completed and these two buggies are done with, then we will be able to know what is the final damage that has happened to lives.
At present, what are the numbers?
There are conflicting numbers coming, and since our district magistrate as well as our senior officers are busy in coordinating hospital and other things, maybe in another half an hour's time I would be able to give you a little closer figure. So the last figure the district collector had confirmed to me is about 238, and some people said 270, some channels said 288, and I just got a call from Delhi-based journalist who says it is 300 plus. I said at least I don't have the information. So confirmed is 238. and thereafter if there are any additions, that will let you know in some time. And yes, about 900 passengers were injured to varying degree. 250 of them have been discharged after this first aid.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.